Hi everyone, welcome to the code tab management. And today our problem is the make array elements unique. Okay, so given an array means what is the question I am reading just. So given an array of n elements, and your task is to find the minimum number of increment operations required to make all the elements of the array unique. That is, no value in the array should occur more than once. Means all the arrays elements will be unique. Okay, no duplicate will be there. So in an operation a value can be incremented by one only. Okay, so it's a very common problem for many interviews. So okay, I'm explaining more by this example here. Like here, okay, here this is the input. Here n equals to 3 means the array size equals to 3, and array elements are here 1 2 2, and output is 1. Why? So if we increase the array 2 by 1 means this one, okay, just incremented plus 1, so it will be 3. So then all the elements will be unique. Okay, so the answer is 1 for this. Like if we will increase one value only, means one element only, then all uh, uh, elements will be unique here. Okay, so we have to calculate the make array elements unique. Okay, so here the question is make elements of the array unique, that is no value. Okay, you got it right. So for the next also, n equals to 4, array elements are 1 1 2 3, and output will be 3. So if we increase this array, means here you duplicate elements are this one and this one. Okay, so if array 0 means this one, if we increment plus 1, then you can see 2 will be there, but 2 is also there. If you will increment plus 2, then it will be 3. So there also 3 is there. Okay, so there will be no unique elements. So after that, if you will increment by plus 3, okay, so this will be 4. You can take this one or this one, any one also. Okay, so you have to find first the duplicate elements. Okay, and between or among those duplicate elements, you have to increment. Okay, that's the logic. Okay, so this is the approach I am going to explain here. Like, so this is a Java class which is solution, and it contains the single method which is min increments. So your increment will be minimum, means you should not increment 2 element, okay, or 3 elements. You means you need to do a minimum, means you need to increment as minimum as possible. Okay, so here it takes the two arguments. Okay, the first one is an integer array, and the second one is the integer n. So first of all, the method starts by initialing a long variable I have taken, which is res to 0, and 0l means so long. Okay, so after that, arrays dot sort method. Okay, this sorts the input array, means this means what array we take as our input. Okay, it will sort by this arrays dot sort array. Then after that, set integer set equals to new hash set. Okay, through which means this creates a new empty hash set. Okay, which is set, and which will store the elements of the array. Okay, and after that, here, so after that, here a for loop is used to iterate through the array, starting from the last element, which is index n minus 1. Okay, and going backwards to the first element, which is up to 0, means 0 index. Okay, then while set dot contents of array I, means inside this for loop, this while loop checks if the current element in the array is already in the set. So if it is, the loop continues to execute. Okay, and after that, I have incremented this res plus 1. Okay, so inside this while loop, res is incremented by 1. Got it? And after that, incremented this array of I. So inside this while loop, the current element of the array is incremented by 1. Okay, here. So inside the for loop, after the while loop has completed, means after completion of this while loop, what I have done? So here I have done like the current element of the array is added to the set. So set dot add means inside this I have added, means inside the set I have added the array elements. Then I have returned the arrays, means at the end of the method I just returned the arrays. So this function iterate over the array in basically the reverse order. Okay, so for each element, if that element is already in set, increment the element and count the increments into the result variable. Okay, so then adding current element to the set. Okay, so this is the logic. I think you got it. So uh, just compile it. Okay, so you got the right result and you can also submit it. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then comment below and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.